Darius, what I like about Lumar dealers is that man, they're always wearing some nice gear. They always look nicely combed and they look very official for sure. You've never air peeled in your life,
Never.
just some YouTube random videos. If you're gonna, is that the top corner or the bottom corner?
That's the top corner.
Okay, that'll be not good. Start from the bottom, it's a lot easier.
Okay.
And that, let it hang like this, all the pattern, let it hang. Like you saw me do the other one, please.
Less chance of stuff
Yeah,
falling out.
but don't put your hand. You grab the pattern, and then with the other one peel it off. Yeah, like that. So with your finger, yeah, hold it right here. Be sure and put a lot of soapy water. Hold it with this hand there, and then peel with the other. Just like if you're peeling a large bumper sticker. There you go. Get it real wet. Put them under your big arm like a pizza, remember? A little bit more. Put them 50% of the film, there you go. 50% at least. That way you have some weight so you can peel off the other one. There you go.
It's kind of like getting it to a position where it's
Exactly.
gonna hang without
Exactly.
peeling off weird, right?
You're using your arm as a giant peel board, and try to keep your arm straight, not any awkward position. That way your film rests without creasing or anything like that. Since this is your first window ever bottom loaded, we're gonna do it a couple of times because it's been in the air like open for like, it probably got coronavirus by now. You know, so much air exposure.
I also didn't have quite enough soap there.
Remember what we discussed yesterday? Because this is the first time you ever air peeled, you probably didn't saturate the pattern good enough. And then, of course, hanging for half an hour there in the air, it lost some of its liquid also. So get it to a comfortable position and then do your thing. And if you notice contaminants, we're going to do it again over and over again. I just wanted to, the very first video of you doing that air peel, I wanted to show it so you can look at the video yourself also and kind of see what's going on. It's a lot of learning and recording.
What's going on back
You can go with your hard one, bro. You can go with your hard
Don't even
squeegee.
worry about
Yeah, don't bother that with that one anymore. Just go ahead and put your finger anchor and do a straight flush. But I didn't mean that hard one. I mean your final installer, whatever it is that you do a final.
Yep.
Use it for the first time.
So
Yeah.
that-
Mm-hmm.
Boom.
And there you go. And you're gonna shave off 2 or 3 steps from trying to anchor it with a squeegee and this and that. Now just do one, and you will gain a lot of efficiencies. And so we're gonna mess up some patterns so you can see what's fast, slow, good, bad, extra necessary steps, or gonna shave whatever. Now, of course, I know that you rolled the window up. I would like to, for you after you squeegee it,
Dry it.
dry the top and do a hard car top, and then check and make sure sideways there's not any dust particles on the lip or anything that we need to fingernail out. Next up is going to be this horrible car that we sweated. It took a long time. You know, one of those income tax cars. It's cool. Darius Warne worked with that horrible back window heat shrink, and he nailed it right off the bat. So there is some things that he's going to be working with, but he's already ahead of the curve. But there's some things that he really wanted to learn that he hadn't done before, and the only way to do it is to get down and dirty. Talk to you guys after lunch.